If you ready for this unboxing, let's go. Woo, baby. I've been waiting over a year for this to show up. Almost a year, not quite a year. But I know you're probably just as excited as I am. We're gonna be unboxing the brand new Z Fold 6 by Samsung. Let's get this unpeeled and unboxed. So, can you guess what color I got? Pull the first tab. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Are y'all ready for this unveil? Dun 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 dun. Let's see. What's in the box? Well, it looks like the usual. The USB-C cable, the SIM ejection tool, and of course Samsung, just like Apple, no brick in the box for $2,019. What a shame. Yeah, I have some, but I'm kind of disappointed that I could at least have a case or a block or something in here for $2,000. I know it's a little bit much to ask, but not really, if you understand what I mean. All right, so let's get this thing out of here. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Are y'all ready for the reveal? Let's get rid of this sticker. Are y'all ready? Let me lift it up so you can see it real good. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, baby. Boy, look at that front cover. Look at those beautiful cameras. All right, y'all ready for the inner screen? Well, the inner screen wasn't stuck on there that good. It's just the stickers are around the side, so you don't really get unpeeled like you do on the front of it. This is really nice. All right, so we're gonna flip it over. And as you notice, I got the navy blue color for $2,019 compared to the regular ones for $1,800. So let's go ahead and do the first fold. Here we go. Oh, that sounded beautiful.